Today's feature is on the new Hot Wheels Forza Horizon 4 series. I picked this up in Toys R Us Singapore after my work. The car art is beautiful and simply arresting, hence I can't miss it. There's a total of 6 cars in this series and I pick up 3 of my favorite. I also upload a video on what I found on IGTV, feel free to check it out. And now let's start with the 92 BMW M3. At the back it showcases the 6 casting, the 92 BMW M3, the 96 Nissan 180SX, the 63 Aston Martin, the Porsche 911, the Lamborghini Veneno, and the Shelby Cobra. No new casting, all these are just repeat casting with just the Forza Horizon logo on the body. The BMW looks very clean in white, looks very stark in white against the background. In fact, in my opinion, it looks better on the card. But for the purpose of this video, I shall open them and showcase it. Very simple, very elegant, just like the Mainline, except for the Forza and Xbox livery on the body, which looks rather subtle. It's totally plain except for the BMW and Xbox livery. Next is the 96 Nissan 180SX. It's the only JDM casting among the lot. I believe this casting will be very popular with the JDM collectors over here. I think the casting will look very great together with the card instead of being just loose. No surprises, just another repeat casting of the 180SX. I believe this 180SX will pair very well with the Target exclusive Mazda RX-7. The Forza logo is just slapped on the body. And I'm glad that the logo on the hood is not as big. The proportion is rather okay with the Xbox logo. What I really like is the car body in red. Although very basic, it looks very arresting. Otherwise, it's a very plain casting without any painted details on the front or rear. But being the only JDM casting, I believe this 180SX will sit well with most collectors. Lastly is my favorite, the Lamborghini Veneno. Look at how nice the car is presented against the car art. It's very nice, very dynamic. Otherwise, apart from the wheel set and the body color, it looks exactly identical to the mainline version. It gives me the impression that it looks very much like the very first Lamborghini Veneno. I believe it was in gunmetal back then. Unlike the others, this casting comes in semi-gloss finish, which is great. The Veneno sits very well with the grey as well. Just like the Batman series Lamborghini Murcielago, although the body is not gunmetal, it looks awesome in grey as well. I like the Mirror Forza logo on the roof, and also the Xbox logo on the front as well, which looks rather detailed. Although these are all repeat casting, with just the Forza logo on the body, they still looks great as a series, and I'm glad that these casting are all showcased along with a very nice car art. So which is your favorite casting among this series? Please comment down below and share with other collectors. More videos coming, the comparison video between TLV and Schuco on the Porsche. Remember to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thanks everyone, bye!